Hello! In this video, we will discuss what Ohm's Law is, why it is important, and how to use it. And to wrap up, we will walk through a couple of examples. Let's get started. What is Ohm's Law? Ohm's Law describes the relationship between voltage, resistance, and current. It's really simple. Voltage equals current times resistance. Let's take a second and talk about the units because it is important. Voltage is measured in volts, current is measured in amps, and resistance is measured in ohms. Like any equation, it can be manipulated to isolate any of the variables. This means as long as we know any two of the variables, we can find the third. Great! Ohm's Law is important, but how do you use it? Ohm's Law is often represented using a triangle, split into three sections. The top of the triangle contains a V, while the bottom is split between an I and an R. This makes for an easy reminder for using Ohm's Law. To use the triangle, you cover up the variable you were solving for, and what remains tells you what to multiply or divide to solve for your variable. Let's solve for V. Start with the triangle and cover up the V, just like that. That leaves us with the I and the R on the bottom. Because they are beside each other, we multiply them together. This leaves us with V equals I times R. The voltage equals the current times the resistance. Next, let's solve for I. Start with the triangle and cover up the I. This leaves us with the V on top and the R on the bottom. Because V is on top, we divide it by R, leaving us with I equals V divided by R, or the current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. This leaves us with only one variable left to solve for, resistance. Start with our triangle and cover up the R. This leaves us with the V on top and the I on the bottom. Because the V is on top, we divide it by I, leaving us with R equals V divided by I, or the resistance is equal to voltage divided by current. Let's try a real example. Say we have 10 volts across a resistor and a current of 2 amps flowing through the resistor. We need to find the resistance of the resistor. Let's use the triangle to help us out. We need to solve for the resistance, so let's cover the R. That leaves us with V divided by I, which means that the resistance is equal to 10 volts divided by 2 amps, which simplifies to 5 ohms. Let's step it up a notch with another example. This time, let's have a 500 milliamp current flow through a resistor with a resistance of 24 kiloohms, and we need to find the voltage across the resistor. It's time to get started. Let's start with our favorite triangle. This time, we are looking for voltage, so let's cover up the V. This leaves us with the I times R. This is where the problem gets tricky. Remember earlier in the video when we talked about the units of Ohm's Law, volts, amps, and ohms? We can't multiply the 500 milliamps and the 24 kiloohms and call it good. The units are wrong. In electronics, we use metric prefixes. The little m stands for milli, which is the metric prefix for thousandths. In order to convert milliamps to amps, we need to move the decimal place 3 places to the left. This means that 500 milliamps is equal to 0.5 amps. The same goes for the resistor. The capital K stands for the metric prefix kilo, which means thousands. To convert kiloohms to ohms, all you need to do is move the decimal place 3 places to the right. This means that 24 kiloohms is equal to 24,000 ohms. Now that we have everything in the correct units, let's plug them in and solve for the voltage. We have the voltage is equal to 0.5 amps times 24,000 ohms. This simplifies to be 12,000 volts. That's it. It really is that easy. In this video, we've covered Ohm's Law, a simple relationship between the voltage, current, and resistance in a circuit. We now know why Ohm's Law is important and learned a simple way to solve Ohm's Law problems with the triangle. Now congratulations, you know Ohm's Law. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments section below.